This is my son's room. I want to share with you the bed that I got for him. This is a size full. I love, 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 love this color. This is the headboard. Really nice quality, very sturdy. I want to show you guys how it looks like without the mattress somewhat. The mattress is a little heavy for me to lift. So this is the low profile with these Velcro. So they stay put very, very well. And this is the headboard, which is very sturdy and solid. I'm very, very pleased with this frame. It does have the middle for mattress stabilization, I can say. This mattress is 10 inches in height, and I do have a 3-inch mattress pad.